Well, we've got a box in the mail today, but this time it's not exactly for something with wheels.
Hey, it does have wheels.
Kinda. Let's start unboxing this. But first, gymnastics. You think you're gonna get through over there? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try and get through over here first.
I'm gonna get it.
Nope. I win.
No!
I win.
Now I'm trapped.
Use my way.
No. My way was fine. The way wasn't the problem. It was the speediness of my husband.
Like I'm fast. I've been fast for years.
Sometimes your cars are.
No. No. They've been quick. That's as far as I'd go.
Alright. Well,
They're actually quicker with you driving too, so. Trash. Trash. Trash.
It's like when you compliment my driving skills on YouTube. We won't talk about all those
It's not
times I
exactly
couldn't
driving
get
skills
the...
to drive an automatic. You're just lighter than me.
You remember the
Ooh.
Mustang? Oh,
Look.
oh my god!
That's what it's for.
You're supposed to hold it by the plastic.
Yeah, that's why they give you the little wings here.
Okay.
Alright. Now this is going to take probably some time to install. But we have a Bambu Lab X1 carbon. Getting back into 3D printing. And it looks like they have some goodies in here. Maybe they gave us some filament or something. A pre-made motor for the benchy. Check that out. Is that what that really is? Oh, that'd be cool if it is. Cameron's gonna love that. So anyway, Kelsey was saying it does have wheels. We got this Craft brand stand that has a nice little enclosure, and we're venting it through our exhaust vent so that we can get the fumes out of here. Did you take it out? What is it?
It is a motor for the benchy.
It is a little motor for the benchy. That's cool. All right, so now we need to get that out and assembled and get it in there and start having some fun. It's doing some things. You can't see anything. It's all reflection.
I'm sure you can open it.
I don't know. I'm not going to touch it while it calibrates. I don't know if it has sensors. It probably doesn't have sensors. It probably does have sensors.
Continue learning and I get a free kit.
Ooh, free.
But it's not working. Oh, I want to learn. Let me learn.
Sad. Supposed to do that?
Oh my god.
Good lord.
That's a little more dramatic than the last picture.
Yeah. I'm supposed to just be able to kind of set this in here. And feed it in here. Oh, there it goes. Fancy. Well, I don't like the way that sounds. Too many noises. Alright, we're trying a speed benchy. Should print in about 21 minutes. Look how fast that is. Roughly 19 minutes later, we're done. comes right off. That's awesome. Need to be careful not to touch that sheet. Look at that. That's great. All right, we've got to do a comparison. Here's 3 different generations of our benchies. We actually started with this old Anycubic 4Max Pro years ago. Very analog 3D printer, and this was the very first benchy we printed out. It's not perfect. It has some defects on it. It's not super clean. Some artifacts, places where we had a little shift there or something. We got a little better at 3D printing, and we removed some of the defects of the printer and got quite a bit cleaner of a print. There were still some areas where it didn't print perfect. We had a little bit of sagging there at that little bridge up at the top. And now here is the Bambu Lab, just straight out of the box. Didn't really do anything but put in the filament and tell it to print.
The speedy version, too.
Yeah, this wasn't a slow print. This was a, hey, print it as fast as it goes. Yeah, that's fantastic.